Buongiorno.
This is us, 3 generations flying through the night like packed sardines, excited to visit Sardinia, Italy. Join us as we start off in Cagliari, make our way up the west coast to Arbatax, and end the trip in the north in Olbia.
Cagliari is the largest city in Sardinia, but its downtown is incredibly walkable. It's packed with fantastic restaurants and cafes. We just looked for spots with 4 stars or higher on Google and hit the jackpot every time. Oh, and did I mention the coffee? It honestly just tastes so much better in Italy.
You know what you forgot to mention is the amazing gelato. Some of us, we need a gelato a day. We stayed at Palazzo Doglio, and it truly feels like a serene oasis in the heart of bustling Cagliari. Set around a beautiful, elegant courtyard, the hotel houses 6 distinct restaurants and bars. We particularly loved Maiori, a contemporary Neapolitan pizzeria that serves elevated pizzas paired with excellent cocktails, a perfect blend of Campania tradition and Sardinian influences. While it's not a budget hotel, rooms start around $250 per night. We felt it was excellent value given the outstanding service, beautiful surroundings, and generous perks. One of those perks is a fantastic breakfast that's included every morning from 7 to 10:30 a.m. The hotel also offers a well-equipped gym, a spa, and off-site parking. Its location was ideal to us, within easy walking distance to the marina, shopping streets, and Cagliari's main landmarks.
Yeah, you go that way. See?
Okay.
We spent a wonderful afternoon wandering the sun-drenched streets of Cagliari's Old Town, streets like Via Garibaldi, losing ourselves in the maze of narrow alleys and exploring the charming local boutiques. If you've been waiting for the perfect moment to pick up that authentic, quintessential Italian keepsake that you've had your eye on, this is absolutely the place to find it.
When the energy of the city gets a bit too lively, Cagliari is beautifully punctuated by pocket parks and green spaces that offer a shady, peaceful escape from the midday hustle. We even stumble upon a flock of resident flamingos in one of the wetlands nearby. Curiously, they weren't quite the vibrant pink you see in the pictures, more of a delicate, dusty white. But watching them against the city backdrop was unforgettable. Using a website called Caesarina, we booked an Italian cooking class in the cozy home of a Sardinian family nestled in the hills outside of Cagliari. Welcomed like old friends by Andrea, his wife and 2 daughters, we rolled up our sleeves to learn how to make authentic colugiones and had them in pasta filled with potato, pecorino, and fresh mint, followed by a classic tiramisu.
The professional chef. Do you like to cook? Yeah. You too?
The kitchen was filled with laughter, the aroma of simmering tomato sauce, and stories about Sardinian traditions passed down through generations. By the end of the afternoon, we were proudly sat down together at their long wooden table to enjoy the fruits of our labor. Before we knew it, it was time to hit the road. We loaded our bags into our rented European wagon and set off from Cagliari toward Arbatax.
We made a delightful detour to Villisimius. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly. It's a charming coastal town on the southeastern tip of Sardinia.
It's a video.
There we wandered through stunning scenery and explored the ruins of an old fortress. Back on the road, we drove through at least 17 tunnels, each one carving its way through the rugged Sardinian mountains.
We arrived at Arbatax, best known for its iconic Rocce Rosse, or plainly Red Rocks. Literally a cluster of red rocks that jut dramatically into the sea. They look even more spectacular at sunset.
What started as a daydream quickly spiraled into a nightmare the moment we arrived at our quote-unquote luxury villa. The property looked abandoned and eerie from the outside, more like a haunted house than a high-end retreat. We sent Matt in alone to check it out. Yep, all alone. And what he found inside was so unpleasant, we immediately turned around, demanded a refund, and escaped to another Airbnb, one that actually matched its description. Waking up to the sound of church bells was the perfect welcome to this beautiful coastal getaway. After a fun little scooter ride and a little relaxation, we even broke out and danced to celebrate. Everything was absolutely perfect. We highly recommend this seaside townhouse hosted by Elisabetta.
Hands down, this was our favorite activity in Sardinia. We rented a private sailboat through Sailover, and it turned out to be the perfect way to explore the stunning coastline with a toddler in tow, without the crowds or stress. The 4-hour private half-day cruise included a delicious lunch and a refreshing swim in one of the beautiful lagoons. If you're visiting Sardinia, this experience absolutely belongs on your list. Highly recommended.
Nearby Arbatax, another hidden gem, and possibly one of my favorites, is Santa Maria Navarrese. This coastal village owes its name to a princess whose ship was caught in a violent storm but successfully found refuge in the town's sheltered bay. Heading north towards Olbia, the scenery turns wild with impossibly high peaks and tight hairpins, with a road that begs to be driven on with only 2 wheels.
Welcome to Olbia. The ancient Greeks called it the Happy City, and it's easy to see why.
It's so high, look.
Look here. While most tourists immediately rush off to the hyper-expensive resorts down the coast, Olbia is where you get the authentic Sardinian experience. It's a place where Roman ruins sit right next to the vibrant modern bars and the secret crystal clear beaches are just minutes away, all without the billionaire price tag. Scooter rides into another level, zooming by faster than he ever has zoomed before.
Let's talk about our Olbia Airbnb. In photos, it looked great, but actually living there? Just okay. If you're planning on a longer stay, the kitchen was a no-go. Want to upload a video? Good luck. The Wi-Fi apparently took its own vacation. But the real chef's kiss was a €10 a day parking fee they ambushed us with at check-in. Honestly, Sardinia Airbnbs have given us major trust issues. Girasoli was amazing, Tortoli was traumatic, and Olbia was a total mixed bag. If you're traveling with a big family, save your sanity, skip the rental, book a hotel, and let someone else make breakfast.
Just 8 kilometers from Olbia, Pittulongu, or La Playa, is a stunning crescent of white sand and shallow turquoise water, backdropped by Tavolara. Ideal for families and swimmers, it blends lively beach energy with quiet snorkeling coves. The beach features paid parking, rentals, showers, and 2 restaurants. Nestled in the granite hills of Gallura near Olbia, Cantina Murales is a charming family-run winery producing exceptional Vermentino and local reds. The intimate tasting experience pairs crisp, aromatic wines with artisanal cheese and cured meats. Adding to the magic, the winery features an on-site animal rescue that our toddler absolutely loved.
If you're looking for that postcard perfect Sardinian beach, you need to head to Porto Istana. Located just 20 minutes south of Olbia, this spot features 4 connected beaches with sand like powdered sugar and water so clear it looks like a swimming pool. The real showstopper here is the view of Tavolara Island rising right out of the sea. It gets crowded by noon, so get here early, grab an espresso, and claim your slice of paradise. Driving 45 minutes north of Olbia, you start catching glimpses of massive luxury yachts dotting the sea. That's when you know you're getting close to the legendary Emerald Coast. We took the scenic route up the hills to find the best views. Once you arrive, you're completely surrounded by high-end luxury brands and some of the most insane super yachts you have ever seen docked in the harbor. But honestly, the real magic here is how stunningly clear the water is. It has been an unforgettable family trip. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you all next time.
Ciao.
If you enjoyed our video, don't forget to smash the like button. Let's beat the YouTube algorithm together.